What's up guys, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Hell's Paradise is back. It's good so far. Mappa, they're great. They're just great. Even though like they're not putting as much work into Hell's Paradise as Jujutsu Kaisen, but this is still, it's pretty good. Gabimaru, Ascetic, fire. I'm gonna do him like kind of on fire. I've drawn him sort of just a normal portrait of him. So we'll do just a bit more flame in this one. Landscape page. Use a pencil, use an eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. Start with his eyes. Typical anime eye. So we go diagonal. And then we'll bring it across. And then from the corner here, it just comes down. And then across the bottom. You can add eyelashes to him as well if you want. It depends on the shot in the scene, but sometimes he does have like eyelashes coming down here, kind of. Sometimes, not all the time. So it's kind of up to you what way you want to do that one. Very, very small, serious eyes. Half circle. And then pupil looking up underneath those eyelashes. Then we have an eyelid line. And some hatching underneath his eyes, like it's like he has tired eyes, you know what I mean? They're just like wrinkles, sort of skin lines around. And then his eyebrow seems to be just like a black sort of line like that. Bit thicker at the front. Might flick up at the end. Do do do. Right, same on the other side. So you're about eye width across. So measure this eye, come over that much. That's where the next eye starts. Right, so you can fit an eye in between both of his eyes. And then you go diagonal again, and then across the top. And then it spikes down. And then we come across the bottom. Relatively flat. And then we'll thicken up this area and add some of those eyelashes again. If you want, it is optional. Sometimes the animators don't even do it. And then he has a very serious half circle. Eye coming down. And then a pupil, half circle again. And then again, sort of wrinkles and tired eye lines coming around. Right, we have another eyelid line in here. And then a bit of an eyebrow again. Just standard sort of black eyebrow. A lot of his eyebrows are covered by his hair, of course, as well. So you don't see it all. So for his nose, they draw it sort of like this with a nostril. And then his mouth, very sort of downturned mouth. Like so. It's kind of very turned down at the sides. And then a chin. That way. And then we'll go for the jaw. And his face sort of gradually turns up, right? So okay, it kind of turns this way. About underneath the corner of his eye, or just there. So it changes direction. And on this side we can see hair, so we can kind of stop it like that. Alrighty, so what way we go? Eyes. Hair, what am I saying? Eyes, did those already. Hair. Very wavy, long, messy hair. Coming down either side of his face. Right, and on this side, well, there's like another piece of a fringe here. We'll do that first. Okay, just spiking them down. Remember, hair moves, so don't worry if you don't get in the exact same spot as me. And especially when he's doing his sort of firepower, it like waves all over the place. So do. So that's his fringe, right? So then he has loads of this and it goes like right up to the top of the page, like it's mostly hair. So we'll just start from here and you're just starting to add spikes. Okay, and go the whole way around. And he has some spikes on the inside as well. Very wavy, curvy. Curvy hair. There is some fire on his hair. I'll put some fire on his hair on this one, right? So this one will be like a slightly different shape, maybe. So this will be some fire, right? And his hair is like in here. So, but the fire is on his head. And some light coming off here as well. And just keep moving. Spiking. Okay. 2 more hair spikes. Right, so then his neck. thin neck muscles. And then he's got that large collar that he pulls over his mouth at a certain point when he's mad. So his shoulders all have flame coming off. So you don't need, you will draw sort of the flame parts first. And you're just doing this random sort of spiky stuff. And it goes, you know, it's all red and purple, and I love the way they do the fire. Like the way they use the colors of it and everything. It's really cool. So you're putting his shoulders on fire basically. So yeah, and this one's like real big. And I'm just doing this kind of random. It's not, you know, you don't have to be exactly the way I'm doing it. You don't have to be that careful. Because fire kind of like moves a lot all over the place. So. And there's all different shades of color on the inside, red and yellow and purple and all sorts. So go nuts with that. You could use paint even or something, you know. Well, markers would work actually pretty well, I'd say as well. But there he is, Gabimaru. I might, yeah, put some scratches on him, mess him up a bit. Hell's Paradise. Good show. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.